Well, it's the 9th of October 2022 and here I am on Perth Station. I'm about to go out to the new airport line. This is the first day in operation, as well as going to the airport. It goes to High Wycombe, which is the furthest station on this line so far. It's a historic occasion here in Perth and I am looking forward to my ride. My journey began at Perth Central Station on one of the first of the trains to venture onto the new line. As we neared Bayswater Station, it was obvious that building the new Ellenbrook line was also underway. Bayswater will be a major hub connecting the Midland, Airport and Ellenbrook lines. As we pulled into the station, more people were waiting to board. Soon after leaving Bayswater, we entered the tunnel that took us under both the Swan River and Perth Airport. We climbed above ground again as we entered High Wycombe Station. Currently, this is the last station on the airport line. At first glimpse, it was quite impressive and much larger than I anticipated. Mind you, the project did cost $1.86 billion, and I could certainly see how the money had been spent. The opening had been promoted as a family fun day and many people had made the journey just to experience the new line. One of the drill heads from the excavator was immortalised as a work of art. It was all happening at High Wycombe with crowds of people, food vans, amusements, a free sausage sizzle, and musicians entertaining the crowds. Even this cute little coffee van. Then it was time to head over to the airport. Well, here we are at High Wycombe Station, which is the end of the line here on the airport line. And it's very crowded here. There's a lot of celebrations going on, a lot of activities and quite a few trains, and people are here trying the new trains out. I'm looking forward to going back to Perth shortly. The rolling stock on the Perth Metropolitan line is both comfortable and fast. From High Wycombe to Perth Airport is just a 2-minute trip. As you would expect with a station that is the new international gateway to the city, Perth Airport Station is both expansive and very impressive. Yes, well, this does look like an airport to me, and there's plenty of people here at the brand new airport station here on the airport line. Opening day, lots of people. The station connects with both Terminal 1, which is both the international terminal and the Virgin Australia terminal, and Terminal 2, which is the regional terminal. Given the impact that COVID has had on international travel, there aren't as many flights as normal, but the frequency of flights is growing as more airlines reconnect with Perth. When the airport does get a lot busier, the infrastructure is there to make reaching the airport a lot easier. Next stop, Redcliffe, which is closer to Terminals T1 and T2 and also the DFO factory outlet. Redcliffe was a little quieter, so I had a look around and caught the next train back to Perth. Perth's new airport line is ready to welcome visitors for a speedy trip into the city.